What's the meaning of clement? Clement. Clement.
Clement. Clement. Clement is an adjective used to describe a person or their behavior that is kind, merciful, and forgiving. It can also refer to mild weather or gentle slopes in geography. The term has its origins in Latin and was originally used to describe the compassionate nature of God or religious figures. In contemporary usage, it generally refers to leniency in punishment or judgment. Overall, clement connotes a sense of compassion and forgiveness, often in contrast with harshness or severity.